So you just cast your vote. I think the first question that we need to ask is, how has it been, the whole experience?
Well, it's pretty clear I voted for our party's candidate, so I'm very happy.
Not that we asked you, हमने आपसे
We
पूछा।
didn't ask
हमने
that
नहीं पूछा,
question.
हमने, but I want to put it out there. He's a local man.
Did he pressure you?
No, obviously I pressed the button myself. And fortunately, it all worked the way it should have. Despite all the rumors, I was able to see the slip, I was able to see our symbols,
worked
so I'm
alright.
feeling relieved. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, you were saying.
Hi, he's a local candidate. He's someone who's known to the people. He's been district president of our party. He comes from a family that has, deep political roots.
Yes.
And so our entire campaign in Mathura has been about grassroots issues.
Right,
About
but you said that he's been a part of his family has been very connected to the political scenario. But his elder brother is now with the BJP. So and that's a bit tricky always, isn't it?
Well, he joined about a year ago, though it was being shown that he joined right at the eve or the cusp of this election. Actually, his son, Manvinder Singh ji's son, was our candidate on RLD from Chhata Assembly last time.
And he had not done.
When he lost, he didn't do too well, and when he lost is when they actually joined BJP.
जयंत जी क्योंकि सवाल ये वाजिब सा है और आपसे सब पूछते ही होंगे, लेकिन हमको भी आज फिर से पूछना पड़ेगा कि आप क्यों नहीं इस सीट से आए, क्यों आप चले गए यहाँ से?
देखिए, हमेशा मुझे भी अजीब सा लग रहा है, कठिन
क्योंकि
होता
यहाँ
है.
सब आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग तो आपसे ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि आप ही सांसद होंगे।
हाँ, जब मैं प्रचार भी कर रहा था तो देखिए, गांव में आप जाते हो तो महिलाओं ने रोका, ने कहा आपने सड़क नहीं बनाई, तो समझाना पड़ता है कि मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ जनप्रतिनिधि, लेकिन हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं और मैं उसी ढंग से मैंने मथुरा को आज भी देख रहा हूँ और कल भी देखूंगा कि मेरी जवाबदेही इस क्षेत्र के प्रति बने रहे.
इसमें एक चीज़ नहीं समझ में आती कि अगर बसपा और सपा और आरएलडी एक साथ जुड़ी रहे थे तो फिर आप क्यों नहीं लड़ सकते थे यहाँ से?
देखिए,
बात तो वही है ना।
1937 से छपरौली एक विधानसभा बागपत में है जहाँ चौधरी चरण सिंह जी, मेरे दादाजी, उस क्षेत्र को का प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं. तो जब चौधरी अजीत सिंह जी ने ये तय किया कि वो मुजफ्फरनगर से लड़ना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ से एक मैसेज जाएगा, संदेश जाएगा भाईचारा का, कम्युनिटीज़ का साथ आने का, दो समुदाय के लोगों का, तो वो बड़ा मैसेज था. फिर चौधरी साहब ने, क्योंकि वो अध्यक्ष हैं और ठीक है, घर में मैं उनकी मानूं ना मानूं, लेकिन जब अध्यक्ष कहेगा तो माननी पड़ेगी.
But there is also a question that Hema Malini says that the Jat politics or the caste politics is passé now. Nobody is going to vote on the.
Because just for our viewers, I just want to explain. 9 lakh is the combination of Muslims, Jats, and the scheduled castes in Mathura seats, as opposed to the Brahmin Thakur combination of about 5 lakhs. So she's saying that caste combination will not work in your favor because it's not going to be based on caste, the vote.
So I mean, I've never said it should be based on caste. Our candidate is a Thakur candidate.
The alliance is based on
And
that.
people accuse us of being a Jat party, but our candidate is Thakur. And I'm very happy because abhi Viruji Dharmpaji had come and he publicly said that he's a Jat. And